So the last time I made a video, I informed you guys that in 2020 that I was going to be making some changes to my YouTube platform. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Kim. I am a registered dietitian nutritionist, a certified diabetes educator, a certified nutrition support clinician, and owner of KimRoseDietitian.com. Welcome to my channel. So let me say, I honestly missed you guys. I honestly missed making videos and editing them and uploading them, but I really needed some rest and relaxation because making videos is no joke. So the last time I made a video, I informed you guys that in 2020 that I was going to be making some changes to my YouTube platform. So to get you guys up to speed, if you haven't already, if you didn't already know about it, I made a survey and I was just surveying your needs of my YouTube channel. So this is the first video of the year and I wanted to let you know what to expect from my YouTube channel for the rest of 2020. So let us jump into the survey results first. So for starters, the majority of you guys that are watching my videos are dietitians or aspiring dietitians, and you can see that here from simply the results, the answers that you guys are giving me. So with that being stated, the majority of content that I'm going to create is specifically for you guys. I was honestly thinking maybe I should create videos that are a little more general to attract the general public, but seeing that you guys already have a basic understanding of food and nutrition, I am going to continue to take it a step further. So the next big thing that I was concerned about in regards to my YouTube channel is, should I continue to make videos every week or should I make them every other week? So you can see here from the results, about half of you stated that you wanted to watch longer videos every other week, and the other half of you guys stated that you wanted to watch shorter videos every week. So I was just a little bit torn. So this is what I'm going to do. And again, I'm going to do this because making videos, as I stated earlier, it's no joke. The editing and all that goes behind the scenes, it is very time consuming. So what I've decided to do, I'm actually going to do videos every other week. So technically speaking, that's 2 videos a month. So definitely you'll see videos 2 times a month, and then sometimes you may see videos 3 times a month. Another thing that I wanted to do is to feature guest dietitians. So it is my personal belief in the dietetics community. We are a little over 100,000 strong in the United States. Why not promote the field of dietetics to the general public? And the best way that I feel that I can do so in the platform that I have created is by featuring guest dietitians, because you guys know the World Wide Web turns into dietetic advice that the general public does take. So I am all about promoting other dietitians. So I do have some guest dietitians as well as some experts that are not dietitians, but the topics that they are going to discuss do impact the field of food and nutrition that you'll be seeing on this channel. So with that being said, for you guys who are interested in being a guest on my YouTube channel, why not go ahead and pitch yourself? Because I'm always looking for experts that have a different expertise than myself. Like for instance, I don't know anything about peds. I don't know anything about research. I don't know anything about sports dietitians. I am all clinically based. I have created a forms that you'll find in my description box for you guys to go ahead and pitch yourself if you do want to be on this YouTube channel. Additionally, if you're not comfortable with video, that's a-okay. If you find that you want to do something audio related, use that same form for my podcast, Nutrition Lifestyles with Kim and Joanne. So don't be shy. Take this opportunity and go ahead and pitch yourself and follow that form in my description box. So another thing that I gathered from my survey is that you guys are looking for information that is more clinically based. Okay, from looking at the comments, I understand. I see where you guys are going with that. So what I want to do, because you guys want me to get deeper into the information that I'm giving you, because of course everything is a little more generalized. So what I have done as well, I'm going to start accepting case studies. So if you guys have any particular case studies that you want to send my way, I have another Google form that I want you to submit that to. For the specific case studies, go ahead and submit that through the Google Forms. Now, let me just say, every case study that you guys submit, it may or may not appear on this YouTube channel according to my discretion and my purposes. And that's why I have your email contact there so that I can ask you more information about the case study that you do submit. So just to recap, those are the changes for 2020. There's going to be a video every other week. You guys may or may not get a bonus video certain months depending on how busy I am. Additionally, you guys have the opportunity to pitch yourselves to be a guest dietitian or a guest aspiring dietitian or a guest professional on my YouTube channel. Also, with that, I'm now accepting case studies. So for those of you guys that want me to delve a little further into clinical dietetics, feel free to go ahead and submit that question as well. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. As usual, remember to comment, like, subscribe, share, and access my Google Documents. Thanks for watching. Bye.